Wondering if you're missing out on thousands in tax deductions? You might be, and most drivers don't even realize it. Over the past 20 years, I've helped thousands of business owners make sense of their vehicle deductions and boosted their tax refunds within the limits allowed by the ATO. And the most common mistake I've seen in the rideshare economy, drivers missing out on claiming all their vehicle tax deductions the right way. In this video, I'll walk you through one subscriber's story, an Uber driver who switched methods and unlocked an extra $5,675 in tax savings in just 1 year. Download my free logbook template in the description and follow along to see what your numbers could look like. Meet John. He's an Uber driver in Sydney who clocks about 900 kilometers per week behind the wheel. He spends roughly $432 each week to run his car, fuel, servicing, insurance, and more. That's $22,464 a year. This is John's only car, and he uses it both for private and business purposes. The ATO says you can only claim the business-related portion of your car costs. To keep things simple, they offer two methods, but both come with a catch. Every driver can use the ATO cents per kilometre shortcut, 88 cents per business kilometre, capped at 5,000 business kilometres per year. That means John's maximum tax deduction is just $4,400, no matter how much he drives. John likes this method because he doesn't need to keep any records. Not bad, but John could do better. With the logbook method, John tracks every trip for 12 weeks, once every 5 years. John picked a busy time of year where he didn't take any holidays using his car. He keeps the logbook safe in case the ATO ever reviews his tax deductions. Over this 12-week period, John drives 11,340 kilometers in total. Of that, 10,800 kilometers are for business purposes, driving his Uber car. John calculates his business use percentage as 10,800 kilometers divided by 11,340 kilometers, which gives him a 95% business use percentage. Annual running costs of $22,464 times 95% business use means that John can claim $21,340 as a tax deduction for his vehicle use. John's real deduction jumps from $4,400 under the cents per kilometre method to $21,340 using the logbook method. What is the tax impact? Using John's marginal tax rate, I calculate the cents per kilometre method would save John about $1,474 in tax, while the logbook method would save him $7,149. The extra cash in John's pocket is $5,675. All John did was spend a little time tracking his trips for a continuous 12-week period once every 5 years. He doesn't need to do one every year unless his circumstances change significantly, such as he changes jobs or changes where he lives. And because he has a logbook, he's protected if the ATO ever audits him. Now think about how long it would take to earn $5,675. Isn't it worth it for just a little bit of admin work? Here are my go-to tools to make logbooks easy. Driver's Note app records trips automatically using GPS. Start and stop and export your report at tax time. Xero Mobile, snap fuel and service receipts. Xero automatically categorizes them for you. And my free template for logbooks. If you want to do things manually, you can download my 12-week logbook sheet from the description below of this video and fill it in either digitally or by hand. At tax time, John enters his business portion of vehicle expenses only, $21,340 in the Business Sole Trader income section of his tax return. Go to Business Sole Trader and Partnership Income, click Add Edit. Under Business and Professional Items, find the expense area, enter $21,340 in the total motor vehicle costs. John's story proves it. A few minutes of tracking can save you thousands of dollars. Download the free logbook template and hit subscribe for more Money with Dan videos. And stick around, the video on your screen is a full walkthrough on what to enter in every field of your tax return as a sole trader.